Hello, dear Capricorn. A very good evening to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a reading for all those who are in no contact with their particular person right now. This is a reading from today till the end of June. Okay, so let's start. Capricorn, let's start. Yay! Let's see. So, your partner's current feelings for you are the fool. They want to have a brand new beginning. They feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you. They feel like they should take the leap of faith with you. Okay, and they are ready to, take the risk with you. So, they're not planning to, they're not planning for the future. They are not thinking about the past. All they cares about right now is for the present energy, and their present energy is pushing them to have a brand new beginning, pushing them to, be a fool in love. Okay, this is what they are feeling right now. Yeah, they feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you. They should have a brand new start with you from scratch. Ouch. Let's see, Capricorn, what you feel for this person. You know what you feel, right? But let's see. You feel the High Priestess. You feel like you are feeling like I should take a decision from my from my mind rather than my heart. Okay. So for the time being, I feel like you are being very patient. You are being very cold and detached, and you're trying to conceal your emotions, Capricorn, for this particular person. Okay, you are trying to listen to your intuition, and your intuition is telling you that slow down, and take your time, take a step back, and analyze each and everything. So that is what you are feeling for this particular person right now. You are feeling to have your own space. You are feeling to have peace of mind. You are feeling to have a break from this particular connection, or a break from life in general, and you just want to be with you right now. Very deep thinking. Yeah, Capricorn, this is what you are feeling right now. Let's see what this particular person wants from you. Let's see what this particular person wants from you. Okay, this person wants victory with you. This person wants this relationship to be a successful relationship, or they want to have, this person wants this kind of mini celebration with you. Okay, because they feel like you are some kind of mini celebrity in their eyes at least, and they feel like you are very creative, and they want to celebrate life. Celebrate life with you. They want to celebrate this connection with you. They want to celebrate this successful relationship with you, victorious relationship with you. This is what they want. They want to be victorious in this connection with you. Let's see. What do you want from this particular person, Capricorn? Okay, so you want to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work from your side. This is what you want. Or it could also mean that you just want to focus on your money right now. You're just trying to focus on your money making, your business, your job. That is what you want. So I feel like for the time being, you just want to focus on yourself, and you just want to focus on your business, your money, your own things. That is what you want. I don't feel like that's what you want from this person. I feel like you want space from this particular person so that you can focus on your money and focus on your business, and this is your energy. Yeah, okay, got it. So let's see what to expect from this person, Capricorn, till the end of June. What to expect from this person till the end of June. So let's see. Knight of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is coming towards you, and they are offering you a solid commitment offer. They're offering you something very solid. So I feel like this person will definitely come towards you, but they will propose you, or they will offer you something solid by the end of June. This is what I'm getting, because this is a very slow energy, but steady and loyal energy. So this person is going to think a lot about the commitment thing as of now, but they are definitely coming in because they feel like there's something left in this connection, and there should be a brand new beginning in this connection. I can see them coming towards you, but in a very slow pace. Yeah, this is what to expect from this person till the end of June. Let's see what to expect from you towards them till the end of June. Yeah, Sun, happiness. So I feel like you are going to be happily in a relationship with this particular person. If not in a relationship, I don't feel like this is going to be a committed relationship as soon as you guys meet up, or as soon as you guys talk to each other. But I feel like there is a happy-go-lucky energy around them. So what to expect from your side is happiness. This is what to expect from your side. So you are going to be very happy, and this is going to make you really happy that this person is coming back towards you. They are offering you love, they are offering you care, and they are, ready to take the risk of their life with you. And that's going to make you very very happy. You are going to be very very happy, and you are going to provide them with this happy energy. This happiness is contagious. uh, I hope I did really well today, because I'm not feeling well actually. Yeah, so thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. This is Anjali Taro. Namaste. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I hope you can switch off the phone and, switch off. Not switch off, you just. Okay, fine. Bye. Take care.